Okay. Parehas sa tanan, right? Leg ang naka-front. Up. Okay. Show me your hand. Okay. Pag ngayong show me your hand, automatic, adjust na tayo sa asa mo. Pag-insert mo niya sa pan, muna yung placement ng kamot. Let's insert on 3. 1, 2, 3, insert. Ready to lift and straight on the lamp on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay, straight on the lap na rin siya. Adjust na tayo yun. Okay, ready to click? Ready. 1, 2, 3, click. Ready to start? 1, 2, 3. So, ano na yun ka? Asa, decide na yun namin. Basta always ang head part mo yung kumanda, pinakataas. Okay, kumanda isa o walk towards the head. So, ready to walk towards the head? Ready. Inner foot first, close leg. 1, 2, 3, walk. Right, right. Okay, so. Okay, walk towards the leg or foot. Left foot first. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, walk. Let's move. Oy, guys. Down, 1, 2, 3, down. Down on the floor, 1, 2, 3, down. Natulog mo din, no?